What's up guys, it's Cody with 3Print Technology. For this video, I'm going to be buying 3 printable files from mymanufactory.com. This is one of the 3 most popular file sharing sites, along with Thingiverse and Priest Community Set. So in this video, I'm going to be going through mymanufactory.com, looking for different STL files to 3 print. I'll probably pick about 3 of these files and then print each one of these off just to see how well the whole buying process is on mymanufactory.com, and to see how much better these files are compared to free files. And this would give me some table pieces for trade show events like Comic Cons, car shows, 3Print festivals, etc. So here we are on mymanufactory.com. Just scrolling through the premium or files that you gotta pay for. So here are the 3 choices I picked out. The first one is a Dragon Eye ring, $2.99, and you can see some of the info about the designer, and it says 90% goes to the designer. Here is the second one. It's a Christmas polar bear, $3. Again, 9% goes to the designer. That's a site-wide feature, I believe. Again, you see the designer info and some more pictures. And the last one is a relic base. This one is $3.50. So now we will begin the buying process. I'll add each of these to my cart and then proceed to check out. So after creating a mymanufactory.com account, here is the checkout screen. You can see the total at the bottom. I had to use my debit card to pay with this because the PayPal button does not work. But anyways, to the right of the prices, you can see a download button for each of the files. We'll download these and import them into our slicer and get them ready to print. So here is the first one we're going to print. It is the Dragon Eye ring. So this is like any other print or STL file now. Just import the design into your slicer and get it set up for your particular printer. So here's the first attempt with the ring. And here is the second print going. This is the polar bear. It's on the Terra 3 printer. This one's looking promising. So about half an hour later, here is the polar bear still being 3 printed. It's not okay. Some of the feet right here are starting to lift up a tiny bit, but it's not enough to abort the print. So while I'm waiting on the prints to finish, I still got the base 2-3 print. But some of the things I look for in a paid design is, one, uniqueness and like different packs that make it a good design, like appealing. Like I don't want to buy like a cube. I want to buy like a highly detailed Nintendo Mario figure, desktop type figure, or buy Benchy when you can download it for free. Find like a unique Disney desktop figure to download, stuff like that. But generally I'm looking for support free models, that way I can save on material. The first letter shape, if it's like a lot of weird outlines, it'll probably won't stick as well. And yeah, so there's those type of things. So here's another 3 print that is being printed. It is the top for the base. Here is the finished top. Next is to print the actual base for it. No support, so it's not too bad. Kilo A. So here is the base being 3 printed. I decided to 3 print this at 30%, much smaller than the top port and the original size, just so I can have the video out in time. But you'll still get the idea of the design of it. Has an hour into it, so probably about 2 more hours and it should be done. Okay, so here are the 3 print pieces. There's the polar bear. So all of these designs turned out pretty good. They all were successful. Here's the base. I 3D printed this one smaller at 30%, just so I can have a finished print and not a week-long print. You can see the hose on the sides. Then there's the inside. I 3D printed the base top are bigger than the actual base. And then here's the ring. I had a failure print it first time, but then this time I used supports and a raft, and it turned out pretty good. This would probably be better if it was on a resin or SLA type printer, but the quality is pretty good for FDM. You can still see the textured pieces of the dragon skin that's supposed to be the dragon eye. So it's not bad quality. That's gonna wrap up the video for this week. So that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you want to see all these videos first, make sure you click subscribe, and see you guys next time.